Buttercup's watching Buttercup in her bed. She's in there at the moment. We've had that hot water, this hot water bottle behind me. We've had it in there for an hour and a half, and it's steaming hot in there. Anyway, I took the bottle out. She's running, and she's there. She was on my knee until I moved the bottle out. It doesn't matter. She's with me. It's the 30th of December today, 2024. I've had to rush down here today to finish this video off. We thought we'd done it, and well, the recording was a load of rubbish. Basically what it was the camera's pointing at the floor. Now you can hear a load of knocking there. That's Paul building an extension to his chicken pen, and you can hear an helicopter try to land on the hospital roof. So it's all happening here at the moment. It's been lovely and sunshine in here all day, and it's been really mild. It's been fantastic. Now when I was watching the weather this morning, it said it was going to be snow, it's going to be real strong winds and everything, so I don't know what happened there. However, it could get worse later on, and it has done in the past. The weather can change on a pin here, and they reckon it's going to be really bad for New Year's Eve. Anyway, we've come down. Basically, I've got this video diary to show you. It's a 12-month look back over the year. I've added some music to it, and it just shows you how the plot's changed over the last 12 months. Each month we put a little clip up. You'll see the month come up, and then you'll see what the plot looked like, and then obviously there's going to be 12 of these clips all pieced together. So I'm not going to bore you anymore. I'm going to run this clip, and I hope you enjoy what you see. So there you go. That's what's happened on the allotments this year. There's lots of changes. There are going to be a lot more changes next year. I've already got a few tasks I need to take care of, and the unforeseen tasks, and I'll be at them shortly. We'll show you probably explaining in the next episode about what we need to do. But it's been a great year this year. I've got to admit, I've done really well in the greenhouses. We've done great with the fruit trees, the orchard, all the flowers. We've done fantastically. All the potatoes, everything we've grown, we've done okay. We've had a few failures with they weren't failures. What it was the squirrels had got me sweet corn before I managed to get it all. But apart from that, it's been really good. Hopefully 2025 we get the compost bins taken care of. Obviously we need to clean the greenhouses, clean the glasses. That'll be another one of the jobs I need to do. And then it's planning what we're going to be growing. Now I've already ordered a load of potatoes and onions. They've been ordered through the shop, so they should turn up anything from the end of January to mid-February. When they do, we'll go through what we've got. I've still got some stuff to plant out, so we'll probably be doing that in the next episode, if we're not digging into that compost bin again and getting all that compost out. So here we are. This is it. I'm going to be posting this video up around about 7 o'clock tomorrow on New Year's Eve. I know you're all going to be partying, so am I. They reckon it's going to be snowing, so it's going to be a bit slippy out there. So if you all get too drunk, be careful you don't break your bloody necks when you come out to do whatever you got to get home. But yeah, me, I don't, like I say, I don't drink, so they'll be turning me into a taxi driver tomorrow. And so that only brings me to wishing you all an happy new year from me and Buttercup, who's snoring her head off inside a bed here. Well, this is the evening bed that she's in. So hope you enjoy yourselves, and here's to 2025. Stay warm, keep safe, and I'll see you back here for some more in 2025. Bye for now, folks.